Hey y'all, CB here at NBS Welding. Got the super service truck on the scene. I'm at my buddy's shop taking care of a little issue. They need this done today. I had to stop what I was doing and load up some gear and come and see these guys. So what we got here is your standard garden variety dump truck with some crackle action. See here, these brackets run into this rear axle. There's been some cracking here. I can see quite a bit of pitting, so I'm assuming we've got some corrosion has been taking place here. I've got the Arc Captain MiG 205 MP. This baby will do it all. This is our stick, MiG, TIG, and plasma. So I'm going to be using the plasma gouging to gouge this out. And that's where you can see right there, I've found there was a lot of corrosion in the backside. And that's going to be okay. We can fix it. It's just going to take a lot to fill it in. And that's no problem. I've got 030 solid MIG wire in the Arc Captain 205 MP with some 75-25 gas, and you can see where it filled it right in. And then I show you the first pass there on the left. I show you the first pass there on the right with it ground out, and then we move on making multiple passes and burning out the trash and solidifying everything to get a little more life out of this old girl. End up using some round reinforcement plates and then quite a bit of just basically weld reinforcement to strengthen everything up here and take care of the issue for them so this thing can go back to work. Don't think there'll be any more real cracking here on this side. And I think that as far as material, we've got quite a bit more solid material here than what was originally here. And it's one of those repairs where we're breathing some life, into an old issue, obviously. But the way that she's built up, on stuff like this, I say they'll run the truck until there's another issue. And when they have another issue, it's going to be somewhere else. It's not going to be here where we're working. And this is the driver's side front was the only one that wasn't cracked, actually. But we see the driver's side at the back, there is some cracking. So we'll get her taken care of, gouge it out, grind it out, weld it up, and reinforce it. And that first pass, no matter what sort of welder or welding that you used on that first one, it's going to be a little nasty because there's a lot of rust and corrosion in from behind there. There's been mud and dirt laying behind that bracket between the frame and the bracket, and it's just rusted it on the back side there. MiG 205 MP running off the Trailblazer 302, running off the 240 volt runner off the generator the whole time. Used the plasma cutter on this job and ran it off the shop air here at my buddy's shop. Now, even though that part right there wasn't cracked, I put a reinforcement plate on it anyway. I think it'd be silly not to. So they all four have the reinforcement plates on them. And I was glad to be able to get over here and get this taken care of for these guys. They got a truck driver hanging out in the shop that was supposed to just he's supposed to just come in for some basic maintenance and be out of there by noon today. And then they see this cracking, and obviously something needed to be done about it right away. So we got her taken care of, and I want to thank y'all for watching. And like I always say, y'all learn how to work with what you got. That way you always have everything you need.